Remember kids, don't try what you're about to see at home.
We're what you call professionals. Hey, give me that. So Tajan, what's the biggest problem that gas gun users have?
Cooldown, right?
Yeah, pretty much. There's a myth going around on the internet and on forums saying that you can use hand warmers to eliminate cooldown, and basically you can also do that to make your gas gun more efficient.
It's pretty interesting.
Yeah, let's go on to start testing. So what is cooldown?
Well, cooldown is basically when you're firing your pistol and gas is expanding and leaving the magazine. The expanding gas absorbs energy from its surroundings, and as it absorbs energy from its surroundings, it gets colder, and when it's colder, it doesn't expand as well, and when it doesn't expand as well, your pistol doesn't function correctly, and all in all, you have a pistol that does not fire. So Nathan, how exactly does this hand warmer thing work?
You know what, that's a good question. We're going to go and talk to an expert in thermodynamics and ask him about this question.
Okay.
So, thermodynamics expert, how do gas mags work?
Well, gases, say propane, are compressed into liquid form, then used to fill your magazines. Generally, gaseous propane exists at the top of your fill chambers, so as you fire, some of this gas is released. This is because the liquid wants to expand due to motion of the gas particles.
Okay, thank you. And in your opinion, would using hand warmers on your gas magazines help your gas efficiency?
Well, higher temperature equals greater motion of particles, and thus gas pressure increase, which is why you'll notice gas guns tend to work better on hot days.
So does increasing the temperature cause too much gas to release, thus resulting in a greater gas loss?
Well, each time you fire, a set volume of gas is released. As temperature increases, so does volume. So if anything, you should be able to get off more shots in higher temperature.
Alright.
A counterexample of this is that cooling down a gas mag can lead to insufficient pressure from the gas to reset the gas valve. Sometimes you'll get mag dumps from this. Also be reminded that gas efficiency goes up in warm weather, so if anything, you should be better off when it's heated.
We got some average hand warmers that you can get in your average sporting goods store. They're about $1.99 and they last about 12 hours. Their average temperature is about 135 degrees Fahrenheit and their max temperature is about 166 degrees Fahrenheit. So what we've got right here is a high kappa, and the magazine was just taken out of the freezer at 33 degrees, and we're going to see how it works.
Alright, so we just grabbed this back out of the freezer at 0 degrees, and we're going to be putting it in a pouch between two hand warmers at normal conditions and seeing how that goes. So, alright, so the mag has been sitting between hand warmers for a couple minutes, and now we are going to see its effect on the gun's performance. Should I just... That's pretty convincing.
What we're going to do next is test a room temperature non-affected mag versus a magazine that we're going to put in a vest with 2 hand warmers in it. The heated mag is going to be in there for 2 minutes, and we're going to test that versus the control mag. This is the control test at room temperature with no freezer. "15 shots till all gas was expended." Alright, now we've got the hand warmer test. This has been sitting in here for a couple minutes. We're going to see the effect of the hand warmers on the magazine. 21 shots, a 6-shot improvement from the control test. Alright, so what do you think about the results of these tests?
Yeah, hand warmers actually do help with gas mags and their cooldown.
Yeah, you know what? I've come to the same conclusion. So, from the tests, we actually saw improvements in both scenarios from
Frozen ones to just room temperature ones, but regardless, hand warmers did actually help.
Yeah, so I'm going to call this one confirmed.
Confirmed.